Okay, friends, so hopefully you've been able to do the sort. Now we're just going to quickly look at these words and put them in the right category. So once again, we have long A, long I, long O, and long U. Okay, so let's look at this. I see a long O, O's. So that would go here. Let's look at the next one. I see a U. The E tickles the U. To say its own name, U. Tune. Tune would go here. Oh, and I want to make sure I circle it to make sure I know I'm done with that. So this has a super E with an I, so that'd be fine. And that would go here. And then hopefully you know this one. This is like. We've learned that one, right? Okay, let's look at this. The E tickles the A to say its own name. A. Pale. So if you're pale, that means you're losing color in your face. So you might feel sick or like you're going to fall or faint. Okay, the E tickles the O to say its own name. O. Road. Okay. And this is not like a road, but it's like I rode the car. Like you drove it. Okay. Oh, hopefully you know this one. That's game. Okay, that's going to go under A, because it says A. Now, this one's a little tricky. C-E is sneaky C. We know that. So, sneaky C wants to be an S. So, this is ice. Rice. It's not rike. It's rice. Okay? That goes under the I. Okay? The E tickles the U to say its own name. U. Cube is the next one. That says U. Cape. Okay, next is the E tickles the O. Pole. Okay. The E tickles the U to say its own name. U. Fuse. Okay, one more row. Rope. Okay. And rope has an O in it. Oh, here's my sneaky C again. Remember, that says slice. So like a slice of bread, that's going to be under the I, because it says I. Ice. Home. That says O. Home. Tame has an A. It says the A, long A. And our last one is cute. And that says U. So if you want to pause the video here and take a minute to see how you did, you can do that. Hopefully yours looks like mine. Okay, now let's turn it over. Okay, so once again, I'm going to try it without. If I don't, it's really hard to do it without. So if you can find a paper clip, that will really be helpful. If you can't find a paper clip, let me see if I can, I don't know, just try to find one. If you can't find one, maybe you can use your dice and write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, something like that. Okay, here we go. I'm going to spin it on the line. Eve. So if I'm playing with a partner, I would get my green and color in Eve. And here's Eve down here. Okay, let's pretend my partner goes. Rule. So he's going to get, oh, he got rule again. So they would put rule down here and rule up here. Now there are no more rules. So if I get on rule, I can't color it in because it's done. Okay, I got Eve again. Where's Eve? There's Eve. And there's Eve. Okay. Let's pretend it's the next person. Wild. So they get to go again. Oh, I keep going to wilds. Maid. Okay, so he's going to get his. There's maid and maid. Oh, all the maids are full. So, he's done. So he doesn't get a color anything. Now it's my turn. Rule. Okay, let's see. Oh, all the rules are filled up. So I have to do another one. Now it's his turn. Stage. Just going to go over here and do stage 2 times. Then it's my turn. Wild, do it again. Cape. There's a cape and a cape. Okay. Now it's his turn. Maid. Let's see if there are any maids. Ooh, he's really lucky. He found another maid. Maid. And where's the other one? Oh. Maid. There we go. Okay. Okay, then let me get my little paper clip. Eve. Okay, let's see. Have I done all the Eves yet? Yes, I have. So now it's his turn. Wild. Wild. Eve. Now it's my turn. I'm going to go stage. So I gotta go again. Ooh, we're getting close to the end. Okay, we're getting less and less choices. Okay, wild, that's him, me, middle, him, middle, me, cape. Are there any capes? Yes, there are. I see a cape and a cape. So as you can see, we only have 1, 2, 3 more. And then the game's over. So now it's his turn. He got cape. Cape. And where's his other cape? That's odd. So there's a cape and there's a cape. There's a cape. And there's a cape. Colored it wrong. Okay, so all that we have left are limes. Okay, here we go. Ooh, I got it. I got a lime. Okay. Okay, 2 more limes. Okay, let's see who gets it. Me or him. His turn. Nope. My turn. Nope. His turn. Yes. Okay, last one. Only 1 more lime. 1 here and 1 there. Okay, here we go. Okay, this is my turn. Maid. Your turn. His turn. Eve. My turn. His turn. My turn. His turn. My turn. His turn. My turn. This is getting slightly ridiculous. Someone needs to win. I don't have time for it. Oh! I'm just going to say it was his turn. Okay, so now that it's full, we're going to count how many they have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So the guy or whatever, blue, got 14. And let's see how many I got. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So that would be called a tie. We both won. Okay, everyone. I hope that made sense. Have fun playing this game. I hope you had a nice time. Bye.